I'm all for bugs and insects doing their thing in the yard, but as soon as they start coming inside, I don't like that. I don't want to see spiders inside. They just gross me out and I don't like them. So that's why I apply Ortho, and this is the best product that I have found to protect my home from these insects getting inside. This Ortho Home Defense does get up to 12 months of protection. I haven't gotten 12 months out of this before. I've got about 9 months at max. But what I do is I apply this when I start finding insects on the inside, and that's what we've started noticing recently, so I'm going to be applying this today. I only apply this on the outdoors of my house. You can apply this on the inside, but I don't need to do that. I found great results just by spraying the perimeter of my property, and sometimes I do my garage to stop things getting into the basement. But other than that, 6 months of coverage from one application is more than enough. So let's get spraying. Before spraying, I do like to clear the area, just get rid of all the debris that's there. And then you can make sure that you're actually applying it to the house and the foundation of where you're spraying it. Like all products that you're spraying, make sure you've got the appropriate PPE on. So I've got the glasses, and then we will get our gloves on. And I have my deck above me here, so I'm actually going to spray the ground first to the perimeter of the house, and then I'll go upstairs and spray our slider and any areas up there that need to be sprayed. And what we're going to do is spray a 12-inch band around the house. We're going to hold the nozzle about 12 inches away from the home and then spray 12 inches. So there are different types of Ortho Home Defense bottles that you can get. You can get refills for things like this that have the little magic wand on it. When spraying outdoors, make sure you use the outdoor spray nozzle setting. It's the 3 fan here. On the other side here, you'll see the narrow fan. That's for indoors. I like to start out back here by my patio door, so I like to use my light here as a little starting point, and I'm just going to spray the concrete and the siding here. Hold it about 12 inches away, just go back and forth, make sure this is saturated. And just work my way around the home. And normally by the time I get back around, this will be dry, because it does dry pretty quick. Especially on a day like today where it's kind of warm outside. As with all products, make sure you read the label and apply them correctly, and you'll have no problems at all. And then you'll have no spiders and insects on the inside. Let's come back once I've got the entire perimeter of the home sprayed. That's how to spray Ortho around your home to prevent bugs and insects getting inside. If you'd like this video, you should watch this video next.